Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to expand your PANASONIC TN-43W70AEZ TV storage using an external USB flash drive. So first of all, prepare your USB flash drive. Now, one important notice, very important, this USB flash drive has to be of 2.0 format, as this TV will not support 3.0 USB flash drive for expanding storage. So find yourself a 2.0 USB flash drive. Then, before you insert it into your TV, insert it into your computer to properly format it. So once you insert your USB flash drive into your computer, you're gonna have to select it. If you have some important files stored on it, then right-click your USB flash drive, and then first back up your data on your computer, and once you're ready to format it, right-click the USB flash drive, select Format, then in File System select either FAT32 or exFAT. Or if both are available, then select the default one, then select Start, OK, and once the format is complete, you can safely eject it from your computer and then switch to your TV. So now we're gonna have to insert the USB flash drive into the TV, and to do so, you're gonna have to find the USB ports on it, and the USB ports are located on the left side of your TV, on the back of it, next to the HDMI ports. So just insert your USB flash drive into one of them, which one, it doesn't matter which one. And once you inserted it and made sure that it sits firmly inside, what you're gonna have to do is press the gear button on your remote control, then press OK to open all settings, and then in all settings navigate down to System. In System, select Storage, then select your select your removable storage, and here you'll find your USB drive. Then select Erase and Format as device storage, then select Format to confirm, and then wait until it becomes the part of your internal storage. It's gonna take a moment, so let's wait. Okay, and once the data is formatted, you'll be asked if you want to move your data to external device. If you do want to do this right now, you can do this right now by selecting Move Now. If you want to do this later, select the second option. And now that's basically it. Now, if you ever want to remove this device, if you ever want this device to stop being your external device, internal device, a part of your internal storage, then select it right here and select Erase and Format as removable storage. Then select if you want to backup apps from this device, select Backup Apps, and once you're ready, select Format, then press OK, and that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.